ZTV Obwansu Bwomogusi.
Chingia ndo mwancho murigereria kerokoro kwigena kwa neb na nogenderete kwegokia kubwati miroberio cia Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo mugusi chara ile chinse 10 chabo na magoroba chinga kingo kwarigania SMS ya mayanku manyibra na ria na kwariganire asenchera ere yobwikiranu nyira ritkeri garia ajichitariki sana nebere cyumutinyo gatano na kabere dimenkante na 77 nigo ritkorera rero ke abasaye babiri bawesokia asegetikia Urupak imeyo mu Nairobi ase babwate gabo kumenyora mono bali baba bagusire magimabo kubwatikana no kurobekana okwaba okayeneke wasinsemo OMS ya Kenya asokwa mireria finance bill yo mwaka 2024 na boigo igoro yogo kunga kubogima imeyense ya Kenya achinga kipamugane timuraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto korwa abisi numurobiro gendrete asensemeyo ya Hurupa kime yomochi o Nairobi mwancho muriariri tukubwati amange toiwe ntara ya beire ka okorekana ase ensemeyo kuri nango kwariganya SMS yechinse 10 senchera ere yobwenge ngomanyibuna nariya na kwariganire kerango kwenyore buna sensemo ya Facebook na botnya rwetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube botnya rwetra Ndizi TV News na bega website ito na bokuja somo yetra www.ndizitv.net ere otagendere gusanga asobwamo. Mwanchi umurigere ngo kwariga ntobeto gusanga wikomwerere triane Evelyn Osero nuri okaina kya spicha neryo gicha wikira senchira ya bene nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi ama yechinse 10 senchira yo bwenge toko ya chaka wasomo konyi bumrai bwense Rigathi Gachagua abaka wikirana asomo sangrekana obwamasabo ase kanisa ya Kiamariga Pefa eyo gotoka sensemo ya Mathira imeye county ya Nyeri ukwana chinga kiecho Gachagua nigabaga kumochiga tiabarai abo bago kwana bobeigoro yabarai bande bosyo bwa Kenya alene omuraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto amonere askiriatere na abange babo nigo ba kole binta secretary ye asikeria nigo atneine ase ekene gento atachie wanjira na kendre mense ya Kenya na utauna sensemo ya nigara chuko gendera gotene na koba omonyakene na botegerera abananchi nigo abangania baraya botangaina ba Kenya na koba Syria asata na wekera gendera gotegerera aba Kenya na boigo kogendera nemirobere mya yo kumusira yugosyo kubwatrana numuraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto asekirenga kyogoskia ense ya Kenya busyo.
If the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is a problem, let somebody else lead this war on illicit brew so that they can continue, so that we save our next generation. But you cannot destroy an entire generation because probably you want to undermine one person. He's just a single person. How do you sacrifice an entire generation, a whole population, because you have a scheme against a leader? And the problem of that leader, being truthful and listening to the ground. Mimi hakuna makosa ingine nimefanya hata moja, ni hiyo tu. Kusema tusikize nini? Yeah, that's all. Let's listen to the people. So let's be careful. Let's overzealous public servants not undermine the president and the government before the people of Kenya. Let us be careful. Let us think about the people. The people of Kenya do not want poisonous alcohol. They do not want illicit brews. Why are you forcing them to take poison and illicit brews? So I listen to the people who have employed me, and I always associate myself with the feelings, the views, and the aspirations of those who have elected me into office. Even I assist the president, and I do assist him in all his work. But I continuously listen to the people of Kenya so that I'm able to give him good advice. I'm also able to make the right decisions. because leadership is about the people. The people must be the center of each and every conversation so that we are able to make good.
Hasa chinga kiecho waigo gashawani gabaga kugikiria obonia bwa marwa tancheiria yobereka gusaria basae na utana tipa gocha wanchira okwigorwa wechinyombe chichikwonia amarwa yo echo chiabete chigosiegwa egekogera uko no gosiria ensi ya Kenya na boigo gosiria abasa banke nigamo chigatia barai kubwatkana no kwiwa kwabo wokunereria abakenya asoko bwatuka chingwa na chitabwenereti na kugania ogosirwa kumurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto asogo ikirania amagendero na bigogo kwanirwa kwa bakenya asenchera ire yobotoera rukuru wa sabarai.
So mimi ningetaka kuambia maofisa kila pahali Kenya, I am not aware of any decision by cabinet, by government, to reopen bars that were selling illicit brews. Those instructions are illegal and is part of the political schemes that are going on in this country. And those schemes are destroying the country. They are not building the country. And if you would like to tell those people who have those schemes, please stop it. Don't undermine the president and his government by antagonizing the people of Kenya. Wengine wamekuwa na kiburi, wakifungua mdomo watu wanakasirika. Si ndio? Yeah. Nao watu ndio wanaharibia rais, wanaharibia serikali. Wako na kiburi mingi sana. Wamekula, wameshiba, wanatapikia watu ambaye hakuna kitu wamekula. Simu wapatie kidogo wakule alafu mwatapikie. And that is the problem we are having. You know, wewe umekula, umeshiba, unaongea vile unataka. Na kuongelesha watu vibaya na maringo na kiburi. Ambaye ni mambo ambaye haina haja. So let us help the president to succeed. Let us help him in his programs.
Gashawa ni gabaga wikirana somo sangrekano yo amono murugio ye Pastor Dorcas Gashawa oya sensema ya ye baga kurwo kubore ochase kanisa kwenekia bunankwe soke chire ase ogosira abasae na kubakonya useko batoria kurwa se obutumeki bwebinyuwa bitanche irimo na sokuba emeremo ase chikanisa nigatere na chikanisa nigo chibwate chinguru cyo gwikirania yo na igasoko bwatirana nigo abasabange barabe bagotoriwa. Pastor Gashawa nigo boigabaga kubori ya abasae kwenekia ngosira na bale barabo ase barabo asenche moyo wekonya na boigo wetoria kurwase obusaria wechingenjo ao.
And I'm asking the church today, open your doors to our children. Let them come into the churches, feed them, clothe them, mentor them, disciple them, and make sure wako sawa. And then even as a church, I believe God has blessed us. And we can be able to change the lives of our young people. They can run here. And if we have churches, like we have the PEFA churches, how many? 6,000. You have 6,000 churches. 6,000 churches of PEFA. Every branch, if it was to take 10 of them, how many young men will we remove from the streets? 600,000. The church has power. It has the authority that God gave us to be able to do what we need to do. And you young people, you can bring other young people that are lost into the church. We mentor them and we raise that money within ourselves to pay them. And they can clean the churches and around here as the pastors and other people help them to overcome.
Kutikana nayo nigo manene bwa waziri ibigoro mwaziri wa mngana ye chinse chesko Musalia Mudavadi aberiga kwenekya buna ense ya Kenya nigo yerwetekegima asoko bwatirana ne chinse chinde cyo kirase orogongo rwa East Africa asenchire mo yowekine nabo igo gokonye kasokoreta magendero asorogongo rwa East Africa aniga yakwanite chinga kyabeta wikirana asege karo kyaba waziri korwa se chinse cyorogongo rwa East Africa ege kyabetege kwariganiwa asensemo ya Zanzibar okwana lichinga kiechboigo Mudavadi nigo aganirio kubwatana wechinse chonsi ase ogotinyia oborendi na gokwanire gatie mechando na boigo amakongo ayogendete kwenekiwa ase chinsecho anene ase kegori kiabasae na kurigia lichiburironge asoko enekia boigo obotoereru bwa gesiasa bwabere bokoenekiwa no morembe.
I wish to reiterate Kenya's commitment and eagerness so that we can participate fully with our brothers and sisters to make far-reaching recommendations to enhance the integration process. I want to underscore our resolve right from the inception of the East African Community to enhance integration, and this is born out of Kenya's belief that integration is an engine for accelerated development of all partner states. I wish to laud the 3 common protocols, namely the Customs Union Protocol, the Common Market Protocol, and the Monetary Union Protocol as the engines of economic development for the East African Community. These protocols have served to enhance intra-East African Community trade, and there is tremendous scope for growth. I also want to put a spotlight on the protocols in the areas of peace and security and defense, as well as enhanced security cooperation witnessed in the region in the recent past as the drivers for a secure and stable East African Community region. I further want to express Kenya's belief that cooperation in multiple areas, as envisaged by the East African Treaty, is for the common benefit of all partner states, and indeed Kenya has benefited from the common approach as have all.
Togotigana nayo ni gabara ikorwa senseme komereria serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya bakorawa no murai kiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigo besokire na kubwatoka enkwana yabo asiba kumuchia umurai wese Dr. William Samoei Ruto kubwatikana nogo chorwa we kamate osekyombe ekyo kirachokora obunenkia igoro ya madeni yense ya Kenya okwana nabariki ni gabara yabo babiri bakugikeria gochoro we kyombe kyo noteba nigo erema mincha neri chiko asinonya nabagenderete komumochio umurai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto kubwatikana no kugenda maminchaniri chikori katiba asibatero na goika abega kurwabisi asichinga kiecho nigo bamuganire abega kubuna ebunge na obochori gose abachumbe babe bagochora buya senchiremo yo kwenekya buna barayi bagochorwa ngo ikiranya bare aliyebwenerete ase abananchi.
The greed that has been demonstrated by leaders, the inexplainable nepotism in this country, additional to corruption, nepotism, tribalism. But the Gen Zs, congratulations, they have come up now with a country that we can say is getting detribalized.
We know he's trying to panel beat his government, to put some very cosmetic changes, to form task forces. We must thank the Law Society of Kenya for rejecting to be lured into a system of cleansing an already failed regime. Let us listen to the voices of the millions of Kenyans who are saying Ruto must go and ensure Ruto goes.
So this demand for an accountable government will continue, na sisi tunaunga mkono Gen Z na tuko pamoja na wao. Kwa hivyo ndio sababu tuko hapa leo, tunatembea huku leo, tuhakikishe hii siku muhimu katika kalenda ya Kenya imekuwa commemorated.
Mwaziri w'echisemi Ezekiel Machogu nigaine kiribuna chisukuru chilichabetilikonyoro kwa no muchando bwetoigo kubatikana nembure nyinge yabage koenekiwa asinsemo aimense ya Kenya anigo chirachie konganyiwa na kwagachwa ase angawo kwana chinga kichetaro yaye ase chisukuru au naboigo obamenyo bwabatami betsegi ase ensemeyo ya county ya Tana nigo Machogu abere otane serikali aberege ko bekensemo chibesa chisaine ejo chirachigokonya ase obwagachi bw'ekisukuru ekyo nabo igo okong'anyigwa kw'abaorokiwa nigo boigateire buna abaorokia mbachikomentwa ase chisukuru ao ekyo kibwate oburemeru ase enchera yemo yogokonya gukinia ebirengo by'ekisemi ase ensemi eyo.
Also provided 8,060,000 to the national government CDF, which Mheshimiwa, I'm sure you will be getting any time in this financial year for Garisen constituency as a conditional grant for constructing more classrooms. This amount will be matched by the national government CDF to bring it to a total of 16,121,000.
Wale watu wameadhiriwa na floods na manyumba zao zimeharibiwa, wao wenyewe wamekuwa displaced, wamehama makwao na wanakaa kwa mlima. President amenidirect nitafute njia za kununulia mabati so that waweze kujenga nyumba zao ambayo iko safe na iko mbali na sehemu zinaadhiriwa na
Serikali nigo yaburiwe gwesokia na kubeka emerobere mekiranwira iyo rachikokonya asogosira abana bo bagukina babwate bamenyete nebinyinyi binyamureo guse HIV AIDS okwana niga babwatani au abo babete bagotarira eskuru ayabana bo babwate oburero bwase ya Talitha Kum nigo gusabana Chintakana nigo ababwatani abo babere bagotaba nabana bange nigo bare ase chinga babwate oburero bo nande nigo bakonengetwa na iga serikali nebwente kubekege tambukiro yose bitambukire bikiranu byokoineke buna bana babere bagoikerwa nabo igo gokonyeka ase chiskuru bnecho.
Watoto ambao wanaishi hapa wanaenda kwa mashule za kawaida na zile shule ambazo ziko hapa around wameweza kuwakaribisha watoto wetu, ingawa kulikuwa na stigma. Watoto na ni baraka kweli kuwa na watoto kwa sababu watu wazima wanaogopa, wanafikiria mambo mengi, lakini watoto wakiwa pamoja wao hawajali. Hata kama mmoja wao wako na shida hii ama lingine, wanacheza pamoja. Kila weekend watoto wanaleta wazazi wao, wanaambia sisi tunataka sherehe yetu ya birthday tuifanyie Talitha Kum. Kwa hivyo watoto wamefanya kazi ngumu sana ya kutusaidia kutransform, kutusaidia kubadilisha akili, mawazo kuhusu watu ambao wanaishi na ugonjwa wa ukimwi.
Lakini kupitia kwa hii community wanapokuja hapa wanafunzwa na wanatunzwa. Pia Talitha Kum community and the staff inafanya kazi ya kuwapeleka katika community na pia tunafunza community kuweza kukaa na wao.
Let us join together and give our children life.
Na sentremo yokonekia buna abasaye babere bagusirwa nabagokonya so kwegenderia ase amatukare bosyo nigo muroberio bwogo semiwa amanke kubwatkana no gonchoreria kwerire amangana yo bonchoreria abete osobete gokwariganiwa ase university ya Chuka awase abasa bange wetani chiriwibere babete bawesokia na konyora amaegeria yo nigo babete bagosomiwa amanke igoro yo kweroberia asa na iyo bonchorere gatiana manke asenonya nabo baracie konyora amakabeza yechiringe chiribu chimi sano na isato echo chirabakonye ase okwegendera singa kibagenderete kuboriwa kwendekia bunankwe bwatanya bare na mangana yo bonchorere eriwe konya se amatuka babusyo.
The team has been very, very good. They have been taken through the instruments of giving them the power, the youth power to negotiate for climate justice globally.
It's no mean feat to organize a meeting like this from countries, more than 80 countries and more than 300 students, and also having reputable resource persons.
We have a fund, Climate Justice Impact Fund for Africa, which if they demonstrate from what they have learned, connecting now theory into practice, they can get some money from us.
This climate school has been so very informative for me. I go back home with innovative ideas on how to tackle water scarcity, especially because majority of our community that is vulnerable depend on agriculture.
mwanchi muri bona robotyo na robotereto mwere ba mayeye chinsa 10 asenchera ere yobwenge na mangtragendere gukwarganiria erachikonyora senchera ere yobwikirane kerekera ragese mona bigo chinsa isato cyamugoroba nere Josephat Amisi kukuganiria oburgereri buru bya semiro berions ya Ndizi TV kana kunyira unana bakondera gutonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube botonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na bigase website ito wetra www.ndizitv.net ero togendere gusanga asobwamo mbia monasibali mwesi mugendera tagotobwate kurwa chinsemo na bayensemo yumutandao tokubakira ngambu ya mono eri triane Evelyn Osero uriane kyachipicha nero gicha wikera senchira bene nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi twarubugereri boro bya semiro bire kubwate na bayigo emagoroba erentoireru.